Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to trim a video on macOS using the QuickTime app or directly inside the Photos app. Let's start with the first method using the built-in app, QuickTime Player. First, go ahead and open your video with QuickTime Player. You can see my video is currently 16 seconds long. To trim this, we can hit Command-T or go up to the Edit menu and select Trim. Now look at the bottom and you'll see a yellow frame marking the start and end points. Use your mouse to drag the handles to select where you want the video to start and finish. Anything inside this yellow frame will be kept in the new video. You can hit the play button to preview this new section and adjust it if needed. Once you've selected the part you want to keep, go ahead and click the Trim button. Now the video is cut down to just 4 seconds. To save it, go to the File menu and choose Save. And just like that, you'll have a new video file with the segment you just trimmed. Method number 2. If the video is inside the Photos app, here is how you do it. First, double-click on the video you want to trim. Then, click the Edit button on the header bar of the app. Here, click and hold the small arrow icons at both ends of the video timeline, then drag them to choose your start and end points, just like you did in QuickTime Player. Click the play button to preview, then hit Done. Now you'll have two options. To overwrite the current video, choose Save Video. But if you want to create a new file, choose the option Save Video as New Clip. Heading back to the library, you'll get a new video with the length you just trimmed. So I've just shared with you two ways to trim videos using the simplest built-in apps, QuickTime Player and the Photos app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like for me. I'll catch you guys in the next video.